Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So today's video will be a little bit different from the earlier sessions. In this video, we are not going to see any interview questions, we are just going to see some basic questions and their answers, so from that, we can see our basic knowledge, so it is a kind of quiz. So this is the quiz part 1. Here, I will put some basic questions related to Terraform, and I will also put 4 or 5 answers or options. Then after a few seconds, I will show you the right answer, and then we will discuss that. So now, without any further ado, let's get started the session. So first we have, how do you test what infrastructure will be built, without executing the actual infrastructure provision process? And here we have 4 options. Terraform plan, Terraform list, Terraform get, Terraform apply. So the correct answer is option A, Terraform plan. The Terraform plan is used to create an execution plan. This command is a convenient way to check whether the execution plan for a set of changes matches your expectations without making any changes to real resources or to the state. The Terraform state list command is used to list resources within a Terraform state. The Terraform get command is used to download and update modules mentioned in the root module. And the last option, Terraform apply, is used to create or introduce changes to real infrastructure. Then the next question we have, what is Terraform not? And here we have 5 options. It is a tool to automate the provisioning of infrastructure. It is a tool that can keep a history of all infrastructure changes. It is a tool that can be used to collaborate in a team on infrastructure automation. Or, it is a tool that keeps the remote state of your infrastructure. Or it is a tool fit to do configuration management of the software on your machines. So let's see, which one is the correct option. So the last option is correct. Terraform is not fit to do configuration management on the software on your machines. Ansible, Chef, Puppet, Salt are better alternatives to do that. Now let's see the next question. What is the difference between a variable and a data source? We have 4 options here. The first option says that there are nothing difference between variable and data sources, both can be used as variables in Terraform. Next, data sources are static and variable are dynamic. Next, variable are static and data sources are dynamic. Or none of the answers are correct. So the correct answer is, third option, variable are static and data sources are dynamic. If you need dynamic information, you can use data sources instead of variables. Data sources will pull their information from a remote API before it turns into a variable that can be used in .tf files. Now let's see the next question. So what is local provisioning? We have 3 options. It is a shell script will be executed locally on the host, where Terraform apply is running. Or it is a shell script will be executed on the provisioned infrastructure. Or it is a shell script will first be uploaded to a remote host, then it will be executed locally on that remote host. The correct answer is option A, a shell script will be executed locally on the host where Terraform apply is running. Next we have, where does Terraform by default saves its remote state? In terraform.tfstate. In a local SQL database. In a remote SQL database. Or Terraform doesn't keep the state, it is automatically refreshed when entering Terraform plan and apply. So the correct answer is option A. By default, Terraform saves its remote state in terraform.tfstate. Now let's go to the next question. What file format is terraform.tfstate? JSON? SQL? It is just unstructured text. Or CSV format? So the file format of terraform.tfstate is option A, JSON. This was very easy, right? Now the next question is, what happens when terraform.tfstate is removed? And the option are. Terraform will not know the remote state anymore. You'll have to manually recreate the terraform.tfstate. Nothing. Terraform will just regenerate the terraform.tfstate when running Terraform apply. Or Terraform will delete all your remote resources, because your terraform.tfstate is missing. So the correct answer is option A. Terraform will not know the remote state anymore. You'll have to manually recreate the terraform.tfstate. Now let's see the next question we have. What happens If two people are working on the same infrastructure with Terraform using a Git repository, but not sharing the terraform.tfstate? We have two options here. First, Terraform might give errors when trying to create or change infrastructure, because Terraform doesn't know the remote state of the other person. Or nothing, Terraform is able to cope with these situations. So if two people are working on the same infrastructure with Terraform using a Git repository, but not sharing the terraform.tfstate, then it might give errors when they trying to create or change infrastructure, so the option A is correct. I hope you all have enjoyed this video or quiz. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next lecture. If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.